Oh, there's no illegal
on the
drugs in my
property.
garage.
Oh, yes, there is, and there's evidence of it.
Hello
What?
there.
Woo, woo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Get back here! What the hell's wrong with you?
Hi, how are you?
Okay.
Surprise, I got a new dog, Granny. His name is Coco. Yo, he already likes you. Oh, wait, Granny!
Mom, I really think you're going to be a little bit nicer to me today.
Fuck off, Kevin! I'm watching television. Do you want me to break your teeth to your eyes?